Hello children, congratulations with your last lesson. Open your books at page 110, exercise 1. Read the dictionary definition. Why do you think it's important to have self-respect? Think about your relationship, your schoolwork, your mood. Self-respect, a feeling of confidence and pride in your own worth. Listen to the model.
I think it's important to have self-respect in relationships because no one will show you respect when you don't respect yourself. You need self-respect in your schoolwork because you want to do the best you can. Your self-respect affects your mood. A lack of self-respect will make you feel sad, and it will affect other areas of your life.
Now let's get acquainted with new words. Write down them in your vocabularies and learn by heart.
Admit, affect, belief, cheerful, confident, increase, loser, opinion, put right, tease, winner.
Exercise 2. Let's complete the quiz and compare your results with your partner. You see that self-respect affects every area of your life. If you don't like yourself, it's difficult to be nice to others, to do your best at school, and to be a cheerful and confident person. You can increase your self-respect by avoiding things that make you feel uncomfortable and putting right what you do wrong. So, how much self-respect do you have? Do the quiz to find out. Use the adverbs of frequency as never or hardly ever, sometimes, often or always. And read the sentence. I do my best at school when I'm finding something difficult. I don't give up, I keep trying. When my friends ask me to do something I don't agree with, I say no. I believe it is more important to be beautiful on the inside than the outside. When I make a mistake, I admit it and say I'm sorry. I respect other people's property, beliefs, and opinions. I see myself as a winner, not a loser. I am happy with my physical appearance and clothes. I don't compare my looks with other people's. I never tease my classmates. Look at your points and check. Remember, how you behave is your choice. Exercise 3. Imagine you are a youth worker giving a talk about self-respect to some teenagers. Collect information under the headings. What self-respect is, why it's important, ways to respect yourself. Prepare, then give your answer. Listen to the model.
Respect yourself. Sometimes it's easy to like who you are. You feel great when you pass a test, do well in sports, or tell a funny joke that everyone laughs at. But how do you feel about yourself when you say something bad, fail a test, or lose a race? You might start to lose self-esteem. You might not respect yourself as much as you should. You can start to think you aren't good in school as part of the team or part of the cool crowd. Why is it important to respect yourself? As a teen, you now have more responsibility. Your parents can't tell you what to do all the time. You have to make some choices on your own. If you respect yourself, you can have the courage to be yourself. You can have your own beliefs and values. Your friends can put a lot of pressure on you. You want to be part of a group. You want to have friends and socialize. It's important to have friends who share your values. If your friends respect you and you respect them, then it's much easier to respect yourself. Don't disappoint yourself. Be honest with yourself. Figure out your strengths and weaknesses. Don't feel bad when things aren't going well. Don't compare yourself to others. It's hard at times, but accept yourself. Do your best each day and enjoy the things you do well. Only you know what is best for you. When you value and respect yourself, it helps you avoid making bad decisions. Never be afraid to speak to other people for advice. Asking for help is not a sign of weakness. You are never too old or too young to ask for help. Self-respect affects every area of life. Liking yourself makes it easier to treat others well. Do your best and try to be cheerful and confident. Behave in a way that shows how special you are.
Now open your books at page 111, exercise 1. Today we shall write the article describing a person. Complete the article with the topic sentences. One sentence does not match. Which girl is the article about? Let's watch the video.
Me and my best friend. My name is Sagida. That's me there. And this is my best friend Aijan. We first met at school about 6 years ago. We became best friends right away. Now we hang out together almost every day. Aijan is tall and slim. She has got long, straight, black hair and beautiful brown eyes. She's got great taste in clothes. We go shopping together all the time. She dresses in casual clothes most of the time, but she dresses formally once in a while. Aijan is very popular at school. She is also very kind and polite. She is tolerant and never says a bad word about anyone. She has got a great sense of humour too. She always makes me laugh. She can be a bit sensitive at times though. Aijan does lots of free time activities. She plays basketball and she goes scuba diving at weekends. I think that Aijan is a wonderful person. We have so much fun together. I'm very lucky to have her as my friend.
In exercise 2, answer what adjectives does the author use to describe Aijan's character. What justification does she use? Exercise 3. Rewrite the sentences using the linkers in brackets. Let's read the theory. Linkers. Use a variety of linkers and with, but, also, however, though, to make your piece of writing more interesting. To join similar ideas, we use and as well too. For example, he is friendly and polite. To join opposing ideas, use but, however, on the other hand. He is helpful, but he can be lazy at times. Exercise 4. Think of your best friend and answer the questions. How old is he, she? What does he, she look like? What is he, she like? Give reasons, examples. How do you feel about him or her? Listen to the model.
How old is he or she?
She's 16 years old.
What does he or she look like?
She's short and slim with long blonde hair and blue eyes.
What is he or she like?
Joanna is very friendly and has time for everyone. She is patient and helpful and will always help me if I have a problem. She is a very good listener and gives excellent advice.
How do you feel about him or her?
I think Joanna is an amazing person. We always have a great time together and tell each other everything. I hope we'll be friends forever.
Exercise 5. Writing an article describing a person. Write an article about your best friend for an international school magazine. You will write about 60 to 100 words and use the plan. Listen to the model.
My best friend is Sophie. We first met at a party when we were 12. Sophie is pretty and tall, with long dark hair and blue eyes. She is very lively and loves talking. She calls me almost every evening and we chat for hours. She is also patient and listens to me when I talk about my problems. Sophie likes writing. Last year, she won first prize in a short story competition. I was not surprised because she is imaginative and very good at writing stories. She plays the piano and the guitar as well. All in all, I think Sophie is a great person. I'm very happy that she is my best friend.